Hello and welcome back to art class. This is week 3 and final week of our Van Gogh chairs. Okay, so most of today is going to be assembling. There is a little bit of drawing and coloring that has to happen. You are going to need a few things to do this. You're going to need your finished drawing and that's colored. You're going to need your half sheet of paper today because we're going to be attaching that today. A pencil, scissors. You're going to want your crayons available, and you're going to want your glue bottle. All right, so the first thing that we're going to need to do is actually fold your picture back in half, but backwards, like this. Okay, next you're going to take your scissors, and you're going to make a couple of snips. You're going to cut all the way to where the seat ends. One snip there, and then you do one snip on the other side. This is one of the reasons why in the first week I stressed that you made sure your legs and the seat were about the same size. And you're going to open it up. Then what you're going to do is you're going to keep the chair folded this way, but you're going to fold the other pieces backwards, like that. Okay. Then what I'm going to have you do is you're going to put it on the folded piece of paper. Now I'm going to have to pop my chair out there like this, and I'm going to fold it in half carefully. Notice that the chair is folding forward, and that's going to put a crease. I do it lightly as I press. It'll put a crease right here, and it will put a crease in the back of the chair. Now your paper will have an easier time standing up. Next thing, looking inside, you can see the white. Well, that's not going to look very good to have a big white blank area. So that's where your pencil is going to come in handy. So you're going to have to hold this up, and you're going to trace the edges with your pencil. So I just traced where I traced where I cut. And then I'm going to just draw a straight line because I know that this should be straight over and this should be straight over. What this will need to be is on the bottom, it should be flooring because that's what the chair sits on. And in the back here, I'm going to draw the back legs of the chair, and I'm going to draw the wall. So that's why you need the crayons, is you're going to need those things. So I need to draw the flooring. And I'm trying to model it off of what I have already drawn. Okay, and then I need the back chair. So my back chair should look very similar to what my front chair looks like. That, and this little extra piece is actually the thickness of the underside of the seat area. So that's the underside of that. And then I'm just going to take my crayons, and I'm going to first outline and color. So I used yellow and brown for those parts. Brown. I got an extra piece of brown right there. And what else do I need? A green for my wall. Next, now my coloring's done, we're going to need to glue this. Now, just putting glue everywhere is not probably the best idea. You're gonna want to kind of do dots and then spread them out. Okay, then you're ready for your picture. What I recommend is probably setting this on the corner of something that can hold up the back a little bit, so maybe the back of a chair, or in the corner of like floor versus wall, just so something's holding the back part up. But then your picture is complete. Okay. You do want to let it dry before you get it anywhere near anything with water or anything like that, because that will mess it up even more. So just be careful with that. Okay, so snap a photo of it once it's good. 2 photos if you would. One from the front and then one from the angle. So one from the front, one from an angle, so that I can see how you did on the inside, please. Okay, and then I will see you guys next week.